In many ways, Irene and Andrew are people who haven't been able to move on with their lives. They're still locked in the early days of the pandemic because for them, the COVID vaccines don't work.
I don't go to as many theatres or cinemas or crowded places. I just avoid them.
Well, I was shielded from the beginning anyway, and I've virtually been shielded ever since. I've not been anywhere, and the only people who've been in the house have been family or people who've lateral flow tested before they came.
Today, Andrew and Irene will be the second and third people taking part in a trial of a new drug here at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Birmingham. It's called Sotrovimab, and it's designed to stop patients with immune system problems getting coronavirus in the first place. So, how does it work?
Antibodies are made by the body to help protect us against infection. In people that aren't able to mount a vaccine response, they don't have these antibodies. So this drug is trying to replace the natural antibodies against COVID, and hopefully it will provide that level of protection that the vaccine would have done.
In the end, 1,700 patients will take part in this trial. Half will get a placebo, half the new drug. And since the drug has a slight yellow tinge, to make sure nobody knows which is which, it's hidden inside these black plastic bags during the trial. Now, it's important to stress that vaccination is still the best way to fight coronavirus. But for these patients, if this trial is successful, this drug offers them a route back to a much more normal life. If all goes well, we should have some early results, hopefully in about 6 months, and a full report in 2 years' time. David Gregory-Kumar, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.